welcome back to the Porsche Club Cape. I'm here with Ryan O'Connor. I don't need to say more, everybody knows that this gentleman is here next to me. Ryan, thanks for joining us. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon notification to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. So today's a peninsula run.
Beautiful conditions. Couldn't have asked for a better summer's day. Sun is shining. We're out in the southern suburbs of the Western Cape, known for its vineyards, rolling green landscape, and of course, some of the finest cricketers that have ever, had a cricket bat in their hands have come from this part of the world. You know, some big names. Constantia Cricket Club, one of the oldest cricket clubs in the world.
Yeah, that's amazing. Started 1876 and relocated in 1971. So steeped in history. Steeped in history. So guys, we're starting off the run here today. We're going to be heading off over the mountains just to my right on this side, and we're going to stop at Radial, have a bit of a quick water break, as they say, and have a look and see where the run's going. Then we're running all the way over the peninsula and coming back to Parada, such an iconic place in Cape Town. Great place to sit. We're going to have some food there and catch up and chat about the run. And our main sponsor today, we're going to be chatting to them a little bit later on, Wheel Collision.
Nice.
They're our headline sponsor.
Absolutely. And you've got to love this. People that, of all walks of life come together on a Sunday morning to celebrate a beautiful part of the world that we live in. The Porsche Club of Cape Town are so spoiled for choice when it comes to their runs on a monthly or bi-monthly basis. Because I tell you what, look around us. There's just the most spectacular routes in the Western Cape, and once again we're spoilt. So it's all about chaos, all about camaraderie, and all about getting together as a club and enjoying these beautiful vehicles that we have, these Porsches.
Sun's out, Porsches out, great weather, Cape Town, the start of summer. Stay locked on, we'll be right back. Here with Chris from Wheel Collision. He's the official sponsor of our run today. Chris, welcome. And
great to be here.
Please tell us a little bit about Wheel Collision. I hear you guys have got some fancy equipment that you use. So tell us a bit more about it.
So Wheel Collision's been around for a while. We're a full national company. We've got refurb branches in the major metros, Pretoria, Joburg, Cape Town and Durban. We've also got over 84 express stores that are in Tigerwood and Thai outlets. So we sort of covered the footprint around the country. But what makes us different to our competitors is, number one, we SABS approved. Which makes a huge difference when it comes to rims, especially. Make sure you got the quality. That's it. We try to make it OEM standard as close as possible. That's what our game plan is, and that's what our SANS 1158 subscribes to tell us. So this is the process that we need to do in order to get those rims to OEM standard. So we've got certain equipment that we use. The rim goes straight through acid bar, through powder coating, the whole works. So when it comes out, it's gone through a complete refurb. So that's what makes us stand out from the rest, is having the SABS approval. We also ISO 9001 approved as well. So there's certain standards that we have to adhere to. And what's the best about it is we can give you an official SABS report on your rim. Whether it's safe to repair or whether it's unsafe to repair.
And you guys have got the X-ray machine, so I mean that's quite critical. Well, I suppose also with the guys running like the Porsches, you want to make sure that any wheel, not just the Porsche wheels, but 100%, if there's any chance that it's been curbed or cracked, you want to make sure that's been covered.
Well, with the X-ray machine, the key for that is obviously it picks up hairline cracks that you can't see with the naked eye.
Yes.
So putting it through the acid bath strips the rim down to its bare metal, going through the X-ray machine, then we'll pick up any hairline cracks that's on the rim.
Okay.
And every single one of our express stores has an X-ray machine, as well as all the refurb centers. They all have X-ray machines to ensure that that kind of safety is adhered to.
Okay, wow, that's amazing.
Great.
Guys, this is Chris. We'll put a link in the description below to their website, so go check them out for more quality wheel and rim repair.
Great. Good to be here. Thank you.
Thanks very much, Chris.
Cheers.
Cheers. way to the top of Radial. Amazing day out, a little bit windy, but that's not going to stop the Porsche guys. We've just taken a nice delivery of all the nappies that's been donated. Thanks very much to all the club members. Just a quick stopper, refresher, we're having a bit of a chat of the run up here. From here on, we're going around the peninsula and ending up at La Parada for lunch. So I think it's all in all, it's a great day out. Standing here with Alex, one of the Porsche Club members. Alex, what do you think about the day?
The day was absolutely magnificent. Been on a few runs now. I think this is our biggest turnout that we've had, and wonderful, around the peninsula spin. The weather's played the game, and we're now actually here at my venue, oldest restaurant in Cape Town.
Yeah.
Welcome to La Parada.
So excited to be here. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, no, absolutely. We've been threatening to do this for some time, and had a nice chat with Pierre, and I'm glad the weather's played the game, and here we are.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
I mean, record turnouts. You've been with us on a couple of runs now this year. How did you find the year?
The year's been phenomenal. There's a real energy in the club. The overnighter in Arniston was a real highlight.
Proper party that was, eh?
Fantastic. And it's also, it's all about the gears in the club. It's all about the energy, the members. There's a real hype, and it's beautiful. You can see it in the turnouts.
And the variety of cars. I mean, there's been such a nice variety of cars. A couple of ones that just rocked up that we've never seen.
Yes,
That's what I'm enjoying.
I mean, there's the Porsche Club here has it all, and right from the classics through to the super hot stuff, and always a pleasure.
Awesome, thanks for hosting us, Alex.
Thank you, pleasure.
Nice. Stay locked on.
Cheers, guys. Have fun.
Standing here with Fernando. He's been on the runs, couple of runs with us.
Couple of runs, yeah.
Yeah, good year so far. You enjoyed it with us?
Yeah, this year's gone by so fast, and it's been really good to be on these runs, experience the cars with the guys, meet new people.
We've had such a good variety, right?
We've had one day with torrential rain where you couldn't even go half throttle, the back wheels were spinning like that.
All over the place,
Yeah.
exactly.
But it's lekker. I mean, you get to see new roads. I mean, one doesn't often, I don't particularly drive that much with my car, and this is a great opportunity to come out.
Oh, it's nice coming out to different wine farms. I mean, we're at La Parada today. It's always a different venue, different vibe. And I think all the new club members just making it so amazing. And today's weather, everything just perfect. Can't ask for a better day.
No, you can't. I think there were a lot of people on the road, so we couldn't, we had to dial this back a bit.
Yeah,
but maybe it's a good thing. Because,
it's a good thing. So now we can chill, have a bit of lunch.
Yeah, we have to
enjoy the afternoon.
But yeah, beautiful day, and thanks to Pierre and the team for organising these runs and events.
Once again, great effort from the team. Thanks, guys. And enjoy the rest of the day with us.
Fantastic.
Cheers.
Okay, thank you.
Standing here with one of the legends in the Porsche Club, Peter. I mean, you've been around for quite a number of years, and it's good to have you here with us today, bringing out your Beast 4 run.
Yeah,
How's the day going for you?
What a day. You know, these runs have improved so much over the years, and I must say, Pierre has really put some energy into the club. You know, I mean, a turnout like this today, there's got to be at least 60 cars here today, I would say, and it's so nice to see the club growing and the enthusiasm growing and the guys getting really passionate about their cars. I mean, you know, we do drive the best built cars in the world.
Exactly,
yeah,
exactly.
Absolutely. I really, you know, Pierre's really done an incredible job. The runs have just become bigger and bigger, and you know, it takes somebody. You know, Pierre's a man that's got many big companies. He runs a lot of people, and it really takes somebody like that to. This is like almost he does this in his sleep, you know.
Yeah, autopilot at the moment.
Autopilot gets the enthusiasm. The communication is incredible. You know, the letters go out, the invites go out. And that part of the whole business has improved a lot, and here's the result, you know, really at the end of the day.
Thanks for joining us today, Peter. It's good to have you
Absolute
here.
pleasure.
Stay locked on, more to come. Standing here with the legend Lawrence, of the Porsche Club Cape. And Lawrence, thanks for coming around today. We couldn't have asked for a better day. Good turnout, great cars. Tell us a bit about the run. How are you finding it today?
I'm surprised at the amount of cars. There's normally 2 cars per person.
Yeah.
But I mean, 50, what do you say, 57 cars?
Yeah.
The last
Touching
time
on
I saw
60, yeah.
50, touching on 60 cars. I think in all the years, and I've been a member now of this club for 26 years.
Wow.
Yeah. And this must be the biggest Sunday social turnout on the road we've ever had. And especially if we bring in that amount of cars into streets and into public little villages and stuff. Normally, that amount of cars
doesn't usually get there.
You would take them out in the open road,
yes,
so we're not so congested and stuff. But
yes,
we sort of seem to have, by hook or by crook,
yes,
or for some stupid reason, sort of ended up staying together in little bits and pieces.
And that hardly happens in a run.
No, because you know it's very difficult to control 57 cars.
Yeah.
You know, especially through when you have other traffic on a Sunday, and you can't pass a thing like that. Yeah, look, the run was great. The weather's good. I think it's fantastic. I drove to top down.
Lovely.
Sunburn, I think.
That's the only way to do it in Cape Town. Summer, Cape Town.
Yeah,
Can't ask for a better thing. Thanks for joining us today, Lawrence. Appreciate it.
Yes.
And guys,
thank you.
We'll catch you later.
Thank you very much.
Finally made it out to La Parada. What an amazing day. Pierre, we couldn't have asked for anything better.
Great weather, 60 cars. We counted just under 60 cars on top of the pass.
That's insane. Biggest run to date, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
You know, it's, from when I know, and I've been here for about 10 years, this is the biggest run I've ever seen. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't stop.
Yeah, exactly. We've had such a great turnout from the members, and shout out to everybody with all the nappies that they've supplied for our nappy run today. That's been a massive success. A lot of new faces, a lot of new cars. And I mean, just a quick recap on the year. The year has been incredible.
Hectic.
Going from strength to strength.
Busy year, hectic year. I'm tired. Can't wait for it to end.
Time for holiday.
Time for a break. But today we had guys coming from Durban. They just gate crashed. And I thought, fantastic, that's what you want. What the guys,
Yes,
they popped
exactly.
in, they said, can I join the run? I said, of course you can. We got behind us, we got a car that came from Joburg.
Oh, wow.
And that's also
Amazing.
fantastic. I mean,
Amazing.
you know, welcome to South Africa.
Yes,
Yeah,
welcome to Cape Town. This is summer. Yeah, we couldn't have asked for a better day. And I mean, just to think back on everything that's happened this year, we're still not done yet. We've still got the awards ceremony coming up towards the end of the year.
We got the toy drive.
And we've got the toy drive.
On the 19th of November, we got a multi-car toy drive, so we're going to have
Very excited
all the
about
clubs,
that.
Crank Handle, Early Ford Club, Angular Club, all those guys are going to join us.
Yeah.
And we're going to do a big run, and we're going to get as many toys as we can.
Thanks very much to Wheel Collision. They've been our sponsor
sponsors.
for the day, sponsor for the event. That's been a great one for us as well.
Great prizes they've given us, and yeah, paid for the day, paid for our coffees and everything. So
100%.
thanks
shout
to
out,
them.
Shout out to Raymond and Chris from Wheel Collision. We're not done yet. We're going to go inside. It's prize giving time. It's lunchtime. We've had a long drive. It's time for a break. But guys, thanks for joining us. Stay locked onto the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for joining us. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to stay notified of all our latest uploads.